Hello everybody, welcome to RetroTeam. Is a retrospective tool for high performing teams. We use AI to identify strengths, weaknesses, and group similar comments for efficient action planning. Today I'm going to talk about actions. So you can actually see actions from three different places. Starting first, here's the retrospective. So we're going to look at the actions here for start, stop today. And in this case, you can either click in here to see the actions. So this takes you to the retrospective dashboard or the board that you've conducted with your team members. And here you see the actions. So you can go ahead and create new actions and say we created a new action here and assigned it to Ido, gave it a date. And maybe we want it to be done in this case. So here's an action that we created in the board. We go back to the dashboard. Now it's updated to 3. The second place you can actually see is down here. You can actually see your latest actions and see all the actions that's been created. You can edit the actions here as well if you want to. You can either double click on it or you can right click here to make an edit. And say we call it action, we update it. That gets updated here. So there's one way to look at it. You can also view other boards that you want to see actions for. I don't think we have one over there, not here either, but in this case we have one over here. And you can filter it and say only show actions that are assigned to me. The third place where most of the actions are, and this is probably where you engage with the actions most of the time, is in the actions page. And the actions page, you can shows you the organization actions, but if you wanted to see the board action for start today, same thing. You can filter here. You can also filter by the person that the action is assigned to, or just see everything. And you can add more actions. Just call it more. Add an action there, and you can also go ahead and edit it, or double click on it to edit. Or you can also delete it in this case if I don't want it, or archive it. In this case I can delete this action and it's gone. Also archive it. When you archive the action, it goes into this archive section here. So in this case you can actually see that the actions are here. You can restore it and it goes back over there. So when an action is assigned to you, you can actually see it here that an action was assigned to you. You get a notification about those actions, and you can click through to kind of see what actions were assigned to you. You can also search for actions. So if you go over here and you click here in the actions search, you can actually see all the actions that actually exist. You can do a search, conduct, and actions will show up. And there's all kinds of filters where you can filter it to do, in progress, done. Also filter it by archive. In this case there's one in archive, and you can also do a date filter as well. And on the side here you can filter by due dates, overdue, like I believe there's one that's overdue. And you can also filter by the boards that we have. In this case you can say I only want to see actions from start, stop, and today, or filter it by yourself. So the search offers you a little bit more granular information on actions. This is actions. Thank you.